Hey guys, so we are now at Los Angeles, California, and this is our second hotel. It's the Holiday Inn Express, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have a quick room tour so that you can see, guys, our hotel. All right, so this is the bathroom. So we have the painting. So there you have it, guys. So I have these complimentary, or like what do you call that, like toiletries and something, and yeah. So try to open that one. Ooh, looks awesome, man. All right, so there's a one big mirror here if you want to go out, and then you can check your outfit, and then yeah, it's nice though. All right, and then this is the fridge. So nothing, we haven't buy our stuff right now, so we have complimentary coffee here, and yeah. All right, so I on the lights. All right, guys. Okay. Oh, I got one big painting over there. So it's a 2 queen beds. So nice. So it's carpeted. It's nice. It complements also the wall color. And then this is in front of our bed. So one kinda big television right there. And then I have this side table lamp. And yeah, it's the ice bucket, and then the ice vending machine is downstairs, level 5. So this is the window. I don't know what's outside. I don't know, it's like a secret passage or something. And yep. Okay, so there you have it, guys. It's our room for 3 days, and yeah, I kind of love it, the vibes and the color, and then it's quite spacious also. So yeah, all right, guys, so I think that's all for today's vlog. It's a quick room tour at LA. It's the Holiday Inn Express rather. All right, guys, bye.